Hi guys. Hi guys. Now introduce. Hi guys, welcome back to Limuru the Adventurous channel. Welcome or welcome back. Welcome back. Hi guys. Intro itamaliza space yote ya simu. Welcome back to Limuru the Adventurous YouTube channel.
And this time guys, I'm here with my friends. Their names?
I'm Michelle.
I'm Sharon.
And this time where are we?
Karura Forest.
What shall we be doing at Karura?
We are having a picnic day.
Nature walk.
And basically connecting with Mother Nature.
Yes.
Enjoy with us guys, and thank you so much guys for the new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining. I am Lynette the Adventurer, and Karibu sana to Lynette the Adventurer YouTube channel. And for the returning subscriber, thank you so much for the support.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Actually, my friends and I, we had gone together at Diani, and the vlog is live on YouTube. Check it out guys.
Kindly check it out.
And we are on to how many subscribers?
1,000 subscribers guys.
Yes.
Subscribe
and share.
Kindly share the video.
Yes.
Comment. As we are heading to the waterfall, how are you feeling?
Refreshed.
Oh, why?
Yeah. I'm feeling ecstatic.
By the way, this is your first time to Karura, Sinda?
Yes, this is my first time.
Oh.
Our first time.
Yeah. It's our first time. We are enjoying the trail. Yeah. As we are heading to the waterfall. We are looking forward to see the waterfall. We heard it's an ecstatic experience.
Yes. Also, we are enjoying
because we have our personal tour guide here.
Yes, Lynette the
Adventurer.
So we are connected with the Mother Nature.
Nature.
Amazing. I love it here.
Andrea.
Now that we are done with the waterfall, that side, we thought rather than going back, why don't we head to the caves? So the caves are not so far away from here. How are you feeling?
How are we feeling, Sharon?
Aki, you look exhausted, guys.
We are exhausted. Ecstatic, of course.
Oh yeah, mmechoka sana.
It's a nice experience. I love it here.
We are not fit.
Ah!
We are not fit. We've discovered that we are not fit.
We are not fit. We are not healthy.
For such train.
For such a...
So we are
But you're not fit for such trends.
No, But this is for the beginners. This is for the beginners. Because next time we are going to Kiambu. Mount Kiambu.
Mount Kiambu unalemewa Karura.
But because it's the first time. Next time we are going to Mount Ololua.
Ololua is a forest like
because I've seen it. I must shake it.
Mimi nishaletea tu gifts to Valentine.
Thanks a lot. Na venye kwanza hii mask yangu yuko ina earring. Thanks a lot.
Wow, thank you, Lina.
Let's go. Hi guys, so we are done with our picnic and our adventure for the day. How was the experience, Sharon and Michelle?
The experience was awesome. We had a nice time here at Karura Forest. We enjoyed ourselves. The picnic was the highlight of the day. I'm so glad. Yeah.
Thank you, Lynette, for the gift.
Yeah, and imagine our friend bought us some nice gifts. Take a look. She's
Karibuni.
Thanks.
I love you.
Karibu. Love you too, guys.
Thank you for the day. It was amazing. This place is the best.
Yes, thank you guys. Please watch, like, share and comment, guys, and please subscribe. Remember, road to 1,000 subscribers.